everybody. स्टैंडर्ड है 7 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर। आपका चैप्टर ये 3 है गवर्नमेंट। ये पहले भी आपको मैंने करवाया, ये रिवीजन चैप्टर है। आप हर रोज़ क्वेश्चन आंसर लर्न करो तो ही क्वेश्चन आंसर आएंगे। चलो आज आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन करवा देती हूँ चैप्टर। इंडिया हैज़ एडॉप्टेड डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम of administration. A nation requires government to take different decisions and to carry out different works of public welfare. Government frames laws according to constitution, executes them, and if needed does additions and correction. It is very much essential to implement laws and rules equally for all government police arrest lawbreakers and present them before judiciary. The accused are punished or penalized by judicial courts. Judiciary is independent, therefore it is seen that partially is not done everywhere. And such a system is set up. Government functions in two parts, union government and state government. At local level, administration is looked after by state government, and central level union government functions when there is any dispute. Union government is considered supreme and the verdict of Supreme Court is considered to be final in most of the states of India. There is no upper house, that is legislative council. Number 1. Read the headlines of a newspaper. Make a list of the work done by the government. On the basic list, do you understand the different functions of the government? आंसर आएगा लिस्ट ऑफ फंक्शंस कैरी आउट बाय द गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट फ्रेम्स लॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द गाइडलाइंस इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नंबर 2. It manages services like transport, post and railway. Number 3. It distributes food material to the poor through cheap range stores. Number 4. It encourages development of trade and commerce in private sector. Number 5. It allows financial assistance for the maintenance of the institutions or organizations functioning in education and health. Number 6. It creates management for equal education for all. Number 7. It resolves economic and social issues. Number 8. It looks after the functioning of government employees. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन आंसर. इज इट पॉसिबल टू एडमिनिस्टर द कंट्री विदाउट द गवर्नमेंट? यस और नो? नो. आंसर आएगा नो. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ नेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल विदाउट गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट इज ए मैनेजमेंट बॉडी. इट रन्स गवर्नमेंट according to the wish and requirement of people. Government is necessary because the rules made by it and the laws framed by it can be implemented equally on people. Government frames laws and gets them executed by officers, employees, and policemen when people are in grave masses. It is important to form rules for their management and to take decisions. Government acts to establish peace, to maintain law and order, and to make progress of the country. If there is no government, all these things become impossible. Question 2. Mention any two decisions taken by the government. Did you like those? Why? तो आंसर आएगा एज पर द लॉ ऑफ एजुकेशन स्टूडेंट शुड नॉट बी पनिश मेंशली और कॉर्पोरली और नॉट टू फेल देम आई appreciate this decision because according to the provision of this law more and more students will come up to get education and our country will progress. Recently, about 30,000 Vidya Shakas have been appointed in government schools. I like this decision very much because it includes interests of a number of people. Next question is 3. How is the country administrated? Answer आएगा every 5 years there is a general election of parliament. The leader of the party with the support of clear majority in the parliament is invited by the president to become the prime minister and appoints him the prime minister. The prime minister appoints all other ministers. The president makes them take secret oaths of their positions. Then they are assigned responsibilities of different sections. All the ministers taking help of their administrative officers and employees carry out administration. They keep the prime minister informed of all their going on. If the ministry loses confidence of people, they have to submit resignation. Next, why can why can one not use loudspeaker in public places after 10 o'clock in the night? Answer: it is a very duty of government. It is a duty of government to take decision for the management of people in masses. Government has to see that law and order is maintained and peace can be retained in nation. After 10 p.m. generally people go to bed. If we play loudspeaker in public at the time, naturally the people at rest will be get disturbed. Loudspeaker created noise pollution. Not to make noise at night is also a law. Thereby we cannot play loudspeakers in public after 10 p.m. Next question है question number 5. Why can one not burst crackers on the road? तो आंसर आएगा we cannot fire crackers on the public road because number point 1 public roads are often crowded. If we fire cracker on public road, it is fear that the public along the road will be harmed and the security of people may be at risk. Number 2, along the public roads there are vehicles run by fuels like petrol, diesel. We can say a spark from cracker may cause fire or blast in the vehicle. Number 3 point है, it is possible that passers may get hurt or accident may take place. Number 4, there are shops along roadside. It is the fear that they may catch fire because of fire. Therefore, the security of people government has made a law that we cannot firecrackers along public road. Question 6. What would happen if there was no timetable in a school? The answer आएगा टाइम टेबल इज़ अ मिरर दैट शोज द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ स्कूल. इट डायरेक्ट्स डिफरेंट activities carried out in school. According to timetable, different jobs in school can be planned: what to teach, when to teach, which co-curricular activities should be carried out, which teacher will conduct which class, when to allow recess, etc. कैन नॉट बी मैनेज विदाउट टाइम टेबल, टाइम टेबल इज एसेंशियल टू रीच द गोल, मोटो डिसाइडेड बाय स्कूल, इफ देयर इज नो टाइम टेबल, टीचर्स cannot justify all the teaching objects and the jobs cannot be managed in time. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वाई आर लॉज फ्रेंड? तो आंसर आएगा वी ऑल लिव इन मासेस देयरफॉर द फॉलोइंग रीजन्स वी नीड लॉज. लॉज टू ब्रिंग अबाउट पीस एंड ऑर्डर इन सोसाइटी. नंबर 2 है ओइंग टू लॉज टू डील विद एवरी सिटीजन इन society, justifiably becomes possible. Without laws, there is anarchy in society. Therefore, without laws, life and property, freedom and rights of people cannot be protected. Number 5, if there are no laws, people will start behaving according to their will, and it shadows the entire society. अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कराऊंगी. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न करना है. थैंक यू.